Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So just a video to keep you updated and in the loop regarding our next Moment 4 version 23H2 feature update for Windows 11. Now, as many of you would know by now, Microsoft has already started rolling out the smaller feature updates known as the Moment updates, and we have already received Moment 1, 2, and 3 for version 22H2 of Windows 11. And as I have posted previously, Microsoft is planning to release one more feature update before the end of this year, 2023, known as the Moment 4 version 23H2 feature update, which we are expecting to see roll out starting possibly in September and or October of this year, 2023. Now, I did post a video at the end of May that Microsoft had confirmed the Windows 11 23H2 feature update, and more or less what to expect when it comes to actual new features. And I'll leave that video down below if you'd like more info, because it will provide you with more information regarding the actual features. And as mentioned in that video, 23H2 will be released using only a small enablement package. And as many of you may know by now, an enablement package basically is an update that installs much quicker than a massive feature update. Now, in regards to the so-called enablement package, upgrading us from version 22H2 to version 23H2, Microsoft has now officially confirmed that they will be using a small enablement package for Windows 11 for the 23H2 feature update, which they posted on the 13th of July. So that was yesterday in my region over on their latest Windows Client Roadmap update. And yeah, they give us the important information pertaining to today's video. Windows 11 version 23H2 will be available as an enablement package, and in this paragraph they give us the information we need. They say the upcoming Windows 11 version 23H2 shares the same servicing branch and code base as Windows 11 version 22H2. What does it mean for you? If you're running Windows 11 version 22H2, it will be a simple update to version 23H2 via a small enablement package. And then they say, do you remember updating from Windows 10 version 1903 to 1909? Or how you've managed recent updates beginning with Windows 10 version 20H2 through 22H2? It will be that simple. Moreover, since both versions share the same source code, you don't need to worry about application or device compatibility between the versions. Now, there's some important information they give us in this paragraph. The first is updating from Windows 10 version 1903 to 1909. In those days, it was still a massive feature update. And then updating from Windows 10 version 20H2 to 22H2, as many of you will know, that's when Microsoft started pushing out the feature updates using a small enablement package, which now upgrading from Windows 11 version 22H2 to 23H2 will take on the same process using that enablement package. And something else they say and to take note of is that you don't need to worry about application or device compatibility between the versions. So this means that the system requirements will be exactly the same for version 22H2 upgrading to version 23H2. The system requirements and the hardware requirements will remain exactly the same. So if you are already running Windows 11, you'll be able to upgrade with no extra requirements to that feature update as stated in that paragraph. Now, something else to take note of, obviously, as we get closer to the feature update rolling out, what you can do is actually start checking and seeking for the update. Because when you check and seek for update, it kind of forces the update, as many of you will know. And obviously, I will post and let you guys know when Microsoft does officially start pushing out the feature update later this year. And feature updates, as many of you will know, are optional. So obviously, when it does appear on your Windows Update page, it will be an optional update, so you don't have to install the update if you don't want to. Now, something to take note of. Although the actual feature update will be rolled out using a small enablement package. Something else to take note of. That's all that feature update will do. The enablement package, all it will do is basically, if we go over to WinVer quickly, just to give you a quick heads up. This is about Windows. All the enablement package will do is it will upgrade you from version 22H2 to version 23H2. Just like, as an example, upgrading from Windows 10 version 21H2 to 22H2. You won't see much difference in the two OSs. Things will look exactly the same to some extent or the other. But because Microsoft now has introduced this new toggle and switch on the Windows Update page, get the latest updates as soon as they're available, as many of you will know by now. If this is turned on, then you will start seeing some of the new features, as I did mention in that previous video, what to expect from Windows 11 version 23H2. And as mentioned, that video will be left down below, because if you don't have this toggle on, when the feature update does roll out, it'll just use that small enablement package, and then we'll only upgrade you from version 22H2 to version 23H2. And as mentioned previously, moment updates like moment 1, 2, and 3 don't upgrade the version, they only upgrade the build. So the enablement package will actually upgrade the version. And if you have this extra switch turned on, then obviously then you'll also start then you'll start getting those extra features that will be part of the actual Windows 11 23H2 feature update. And one of those, as I have mentioned, would and is possibly expected to be the Windows Copilot for desktop, where Microsoft is bringing centralized artificial intelligence to the Windows 11 desktop. And if you want more info regarding Windows Copilot, just do a search on the channel. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.